book. Yep, that's me. Don't wear out. Woohoo! I think this easy. It's hard to decide. Just see what bird fits you. I'll send a message to Box Girl saying, screw off. Aha! With this note, I will. This is from Block. A note? Yes, it's a note. Take it. You can do this, Block. I would like to see you try. Hey, why you girls are mad? Does this answer your question? Screw off from Block? I didn't vote this. Your name is on the paper. But I did. What the heck was that? So how did it go? I don't have time right now. I'm busy. No problem. I think I know who did it. His name starts with a T. Help. Can't you go any faster? The plan worked. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm taking the long way. Find that runt. Well, ooh, seeds! Yay! That's a good bird. He left something. Daytona is dead. Address 6654 74 Avenue. Now it's easy. Come on, Book. Let's go! We're here. Is that it? Oh, okay, let's go. It's open. Hello? Nobody's here. Yeah. Yeah. What are you talking about? This is his place. Where are they? It's 0 o'clock. Ooh, you must be Tony. Yeah? Tony! Bob! Wait, how did you get in? Huh. Well, you don't know who wrote that letter. 1, you said I don't know. 2, your address is on the paper. 3, your name is on the paper. 4, 30. You done. Hey, okay, yeah. So where is it? All of them. Hey. Guys, say hi. Hi. Who am I? Ain't nobody. Hey, guys. Unknown? Go ahead.